What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to, and this is a 2018 Toyota Tacoma. And I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out. Not even gonna lie, I'm not gonna use any type of panel removal tool. I'm gonna stick my hand right behind here, and I'm gonna use some pressure, light pressure, and I'm gonna come up under here and take that piece off, and boom. I don't know if I ever told y'all that I love Toyota, but I love Toyota. And then all we gotta do is come in with, we got 4 10 mils that I've already taken out. And then, we're just gonna take that out like that. Of course, you got your harnesses and all that type of stuff. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, let me go ahead and wire up the radio. And this is about to be one of the easiest installs that I've... I'm not going to say that's the easiest install that I've ever done, but it's going to be one of the easiest radio removals that I've done in a while. I'm talking too much. Let me finish up. Alright, y'all, so the dash kit for this was pretty easy. You just take this bracket, you put it on the dash kit. It's going to come with 2 Phillips, and you're going to put those inside there. We're going to do the exact same thing on the other side, and then we take 2 screws that come with the radio, and we secure them, and then we're going to get that look. So that right there is very flush. Now, I know you guys thinking, man, I didn't really go over how to actually wire this thing up. In order to make these videos short and sweet, straight to the point, efficient as possible, I made one video to kind of let you guys know how to wire up a radio, because it's the exact same way each time. So you can hit that card in the corner. That's where that video is. It's in the playlist with all kind of how-tos, like different how-tos. Like right now, this one has a factory backup camera, and he wants to keep his factory camera but add a aftermarket radio. So we have our 12 volt to 6 volt converter. It's installed right here on our camera wires for power, and our signal wires, I put a RCA on it and put it in here. If you want to know how to do that, that video is in the how-to over there in the card. So what I'm trying to say is, hit that card and watch them videos. That way you know how to do this yourself. But either way, let's go ahead and get this thing plugged up. I'm gonna finish making this nice and neat and clean and all that type of stuff, even though nobody's gonna see it except me. Either way, I care about how it looks behind the radio. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so that's it, man. That's what it looks like when it's all said and done. This is the Kenwood DMX 7706S. Looks pretty good inside this dash. The metra dash kit, of course. I will have all the links in the description for you guys. Don't forget to hit those cards in the corner. If you guys find any value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll catch you guys at the next call.